Welcome to Aerosapien. We are proudly announcing to manufacturing all types of critical structure parts. We are manufacturing jet engine fuel injectors for Tejas fighter jet aircraft H A L LCA. Aerosapien always focuses on aerospace research and development components. Aerosapien is ready to develop complicated structural components. These fuel injectors have critical tolerance and have some manufacturing challenges. We are ready to make internal and external tapping standards and non-standard size. These injectors are rich fuel injectors. We are drilling 0.5 mm nozzle holes. In the last few years, many of the organizations have tried to develop this feed arm nozzle and swirler assembly. But Aerosapien achieved a single attempt to require tolerance. These injector nozzles have 0.5 mm holes for fuel injection purposes. We are done pilot holes from the 3D printer machine, then re-drill as per drawing. These components have many more angle settings. This is a 5th axis job. But Aerosapien makes the fixture and completes the single setting, changes the number of positions rotated, then completes the components. These injector assembly have 3 components. First one is feed arm nozzle, second one is injector nozzle, and third one is swirler. This 3 assembly is one set. The swirler is mainly used for twisting the fuel and gas. In this case the fuel mixing ratio is high compared to other methods. Thank you for giving this opportunity for our Aerosapien. Really, we got a new experience in manufacturing feed arm nozzles. I really thank Wipro 3D, Indian Institute of Science and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Thank you for your valuable time. Aerosapien always say, our dream, our creation.